Nothing gives classy, feminine. This one here is Glueless. It has the perfect color to match my complexion. This is what she looks like straight out of the box. She comes with the curls, and she also comes with this adjustable elastic band. I'm gonna go ahead and put her on. I'm giving you guys a close-up look at the hairline, and you guys can see there's not gonna be much work on this one. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pull her back, and we can literally just get to work. So one of the only things you have to do for install is to cut off the excess lace. To amp it up a notch, I did pull out my eyebrow razor, which gives a better, more flawless cut. Especially when you're not going to be bonding her down. This is going to help it to look a lot more melted. Of course, you got to trust the process. I'm going to do it on both sides, being sure to cut off any excess lace around the ear. Here is a secret trick to melting your wigs. We in the wig community love to do this, especially with like synthetic lace wigs. I'm bringing her here to the real hair community, and this is pretty much just your favorite moves, and you kind of just apply a generous amount towards the hairline. You can push all of the hair straight back. I kind of did the finesse edges, not baby hair, just edges to it to kind of give it my own little flair. Pulling the hair back, and we're just going to add a melt belt on top. This is going to give the illusion that the hair is a lot more melted. You guys see what it looks like first of all or beforehand, and you're going to see the magic this step creates. Now I think I'm done with the look, and I'm absolutely in love. This caramel colored lace wig is absolutely gorgeous. As I mentioned, she is 100% glueless. We didn't blonde her down at all. She's 16 inches in length, and of course I have all the details on her down below in the description box. Lace wear, she's absolutely perfect. Thank you guys so much for watching.